We are up on YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Bullish Bears live stream. I am Kevin. We are going to be streaming the first couple hours of the market open today. We were just going over some pre-market plans and stuff. Right now, we're just sort of staying patient. I do think we are going to see a bit more upside today. But I sort of am waiting for this area of interest up here on NASDAQ because we do have a bit of divergence, right? ES is trying to break these previous day highs. NASDAQ is not at the previous day high, so ES is a bit stronger at the moment. Apple with a nice push there. Microsoft's with a nice push too. Again, though, me personally, I'm staying out of this trade. I'm waiting for one of my zones. I'm waiting for a level. Just waiting to trade the reaction. Let's see if we can find anything on NASDAQ right now. Nothing? It's got to be something.
Did you post your NQ chart?
I did not. I didn't get a chance to update it this morning. I'm doing that right now. Watch that live. I started with pennies, small caps, but moved to futures trading a couple months ago. Seems like futures price action is much more consistent. Most paper trading with ES, MES, start live trading with small MES, but strong paper live trading. So what I would suggest, something that I always like to work around with this Apex system, right? Because I'm really trying to find the best way for people to get started and get started easy, and but to be able to transition from paper trading to real trading, because that is extremely difficult. Um, with Apex, right? You could buy an account, a 25K account, a 50K account, a 150K account, but they give you the trail down, right? Now, when you get a 50K account, if we were trading real money 50K, we wouldn't be trading micros. We'd be trading minis, right? Something that moves $50 a point, $20 a point. We'd have a 50K account to trade with. However, when you're trading Apex, they have a $2,500 trail down on that 50K account with a $3,000 profit target. What I recommend doing if you have the 50K account is trade it like you have a $2,500 account, right? So not 50K, $2,500, and your target is 3,000, so 5,500 total on that account value. Look at that pop, nice pop right there at the open. Um, really nice. Look at that. Go right to that area of interest on Nasdaq too. Um, what was I saying? So basically, yeah, we want to why is there no view app? There it is. We want to start with something that's reasonable, and we want to be able to trade it like it's real money, because Apex, you could take home that money once you do get a funded account. Once you do pass a certain threshold and stuff, they let you keep the first 25K. Then it's a 90-10 split, which, I mean, who's complaining on that? Still trading with zero risk down. Yesterday was our last day for 90% off. If you do the code Bullish Bears, you will get 50% off. But they're just great to start out with, because again, it's like you could trade like you would trade with that account for real, and then if you stay consistent, you're able to then pay the fee for the paid account, and then once you pay that fee, you're able to trade with a funded account, and at that point, you're able to take out withdrawals. You're able to make some money with that, and that's with none of your actual like money at risk. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we're coming up to this area of interest on Nasdaq. This was a pretty strong area yesterday. I sort of want to see where we're at, because I'm definitely considering a short position when we're in this area of interest over here. But oh nope, new high, not happening. Bulls are crazy right now. We're gonna keep going. I'm not taking any trades right here, because this would have been my target. But like a 25K account, trail down's 1,500. So then with that one, trade micros. Do maybe do two micro what's it called? Micro contracts, and then if it's a trade that's already winning, then you add two more, and then you could have a really big winner, right? And that's how we have to be able to add to our winners, because that way, if that trade loses, we're only losing on 2 contracts, but if that trade wins, we're winning on 4 contracts. And that's something that's super, super important too. Look at that weakness we're getting into as soon as we hit this area of interest. That's pretty clean. I like that. And look, we swept this high right here. So yeah, I'm gonna look for a retest of that level and a fail of that level. I'm gonna take some shorts on NASDAQ. YouTube, you guys got any questions? Definitely let me know. I'm spitting game over here for free on the YouTube. You guys are lucky. I'll take this down later. Look at that sell-off right from that area, guys. That's huge. That's great. Really something. Damn. Wonder if this is going to keep going, too. This 1 minute candle looks like it wants to keep going. But you guys know I don't trade that 1 minute. This is going to be why. A lot of volume. Good volume. Look at that. Big pop on ES. Holy cow. Right at that area, guys. Huge. Huge, huge, huge. See a few new members in here. Just want to say hello to you guys. What up, Bell? What up? Who else was in here? Want to say Grimpo. PB. What up, PB? Skinner. What up? What up? Hello and welcome. Welcome to the gang. Welcome to the community, the Bullish Bears fam. Let's take a look at what the 15 minutes doing, guys. We got 7 minutes on the 15 minute. Gotta always be aware of those higher time frames. Maybe we'll get, if we do go weak for the next 20 minutes, we can maybe create a supply zone right here on the 1 hour. However, if we're looking at the 15 and stuff, 15 looks pretty bullish. 30 looks like it should be continuing higher. So I'm just sort of staying patient on this right now. Minute 30 left. Gotta think this big selling candle. A lot of people hit that sell button to either stop out of their longs or to get into some shorts. And now what are we doing for the last minute 30? We're sort of wicking back up, right? We're sort of trapping the people who hit that sell button down here. See that? Definitely staying patient here, guys. Don't want to force any trades. Maybe we'll get a rally, a basing candle, and then a rally to continue afterwards. So I'm going to be looking for a long position depending on how this candle closes. However, if this candle wants to give us a hanging man candle, that's where we'll have a small green body right up here, long lower wick. I will look for a pop, and then I will short the highs and see if we could get a nice move there. And think about that again, guys. All the people that were hitting the sell button down here to either get out of their long position for a loss if they chased it over here, or to get into a short position thinking that selling was really strong, they just got stopped out. That's 20 points against them in one candle. That's why we got to be patient. Let the candles close. 3 seconds. I sort of want to go long off of that candle, but I'm not going to. Staying patient. Yo, what up? Good morning, The Human Experiment on YouTube. What's going on? What's Apple doing? Apple is at new highs over the past few weeks, though. So just sort of watching that. Does that 187 in sights? Bum, 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 bum. What's the VIX doing? VIX was dropping before, now it's sort of trying to chop. Yeah, I'm not taking any trades here, guys. This is in the middle of nowhere. If anything, I would consider a long position to go higher and then have a really tight stop loss at the previous candle's low. But not liking the bearish action on the equities, and it's not at my area. If anything, I would have shorted up here and let that sort of run. But maybe we'll go see VWAP. Why don't you have a trend line drawn under all of the lower highs, forming a bullish trend line under the lower highs? Let's see what the homie and the YouTube, what's his name? John Owens. Trend line under the highs. Okay, I like that. Let me the higher lows, right? These are the higher lows because each low is a bit higher than the last. I don't see much of a pattern forming. If anything, we sort of, and this is something big about patterns that I find each pattern, when we are looking for a chart pattern, it really has to be drawn perfectly. And if you have to like force a pattern, then don't use it. If you're forcing a chart pattern, there's a good chance you're forcing it for a reason and it's not going to hold any value. There was sort of this channel in the pre-market from about 2:30 to about 9:30. So there was this little bit of a range, which I'm sure you could have been able to catch on something like just looking at the price action or even like the Bollinger Bands. But this does sort of feel a bit forced, so I'm not going to keep using it. Here, maybe we'll leave that there. We'll see how that plays out a little bit. But I'm personally not a fan of those right there. Maybe for the lower part, right? So if we do pull back, I'll look for us to hold this trend line.
Good morning, everyone.
Yo, morning, Ricardo. What's going on?
How are you?
Chilling, man. Chilling. How you doing?
Good, man.
Good. We're waiting for a setup, dude. It gave us a big spike in the morning, and then it sold off from our area, and now it's just chopping away. There's a pop on ES.
We gotta be patient today.
That's right. Patient every day. Equities are trying to bounce here. Again, though, I'm being patient. Minute 30 left. I sort of wanted this candle to go green, so this would be a rally, a basing, and then another rally afterwards. But the selling pressure is still like here and pretty valid. Apple's pretty weak, trying to break under VWAP right now. Not taking it. See, that's too strong to the downside right here. What's the VIX is doing? VIX is trying to drop lower, though, which is bullish, as we know. So really staying patient on this. Not too many good setups on the ES right now, except maybe this 15-minute demand zone, because it's got VWAP lined up with it as well. But as of now, not much going on. What time is it? Alright, we got a 15-minute closing in 45 seconds, too, so we can see how that closes. See if we get a basing before a drop. Apple very weak. Check it out, guys. Equities are very weak. Microsoft selling hard. Apple selling hard. Look at that move. Look at that move. It's what we get. Do have to remember a bit too, though, that the trend is our friend, and we have been bullish. We have been bullish. I think we go back up from here. I'm not taking any trades here, guys. I'm just still being patient. Bears might continue this, but yeah, I'm staying patient on this. Nothing like catching my eye saying, "Oh my goodness, I need to trade this." Not yet. Not yet. We got time, guys. Nice pop on Apple and equities right now. And drop. Apple sort of being a leader though, trying its best to hit that 183.25. It's at 183.13 right now. Like I said, VIX has been dropping. VIX has been trying to go lower. That is bullish. Oh, there's some weakness on equities again. Yeah, see, bears keep trying to step in here. Let's take a look. A lot of selling pressure. I do think I might actually want to short this. But I'm going to sort of be patient on this. We got 4 minutes. We have 4 minutes and we have VIX going against us. So I don't want to short that because of the VIX going against us. If VIX was popping right now, would absolutely be shorting this. But because VIX has been trying to drop, that means there's still been buying pressure even though we've been trying to chug along lower. So that tells me, like buyers are not giving up. There's a good chance that if sellers give up, we're going to pop. So just staying patient. Let's see. See, we could throw the Dom up here a little bit. See that pop? That's exactly what I was talking about. Your buyers weren't going to give up yet. It's that 1 minute looking like holding that trend line. But again, I wasn't the biggest fan of that trend line. It did have a few touches on the 1 minute. But nice bull move. See, now I'm definitely considering some longs here, but buying long up here would sort of be trying to go long at the top, which could work out, but it could be very risky too. So I'm, again, staying patient. And I'd much rather even wait for like the 5 minutes to close, right? We got 2:20 left in this 5 minute. This could just wick right back down. I'm not trying to be caught on the wrong side. Yo.
Kevin, have you ever studied the 5 minute open break
open
range
range
breakout?
Yeah, open range break on a 5 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been looking at that and back testing it a few months. And yeah, that's kind of opened my mind to start to look at that first 5 minute bar as like usually whenever things start to go is whenever it gets outside of that. Once it's ranging inside the first 5 minute bar.
Right.
So I kind of like I don't know, today I'm just kind of looking at the top and bottom of the first bar as where it could start to get busy again.
Got you. That's cool. Yeah, the thing with trading and all the different strategies is each strategy doesn't work for everyone and does work for everyone. So when I say that, I mean like you could do the 5 minute open and get really consistent with it, and as long as you have one piece of aspects like really working for you, like you have one edge that's really working for you, whether it's you're reading the higher highs, higher lows, you're taking more high probability trades off of that 5 minute open range, then it's going to work for you. There's people that use the 15 minute open range or the 30 minute open range, and it works for them. So it all really depends on how you trade, how much time you put into just studying that trade setup and your trade plans and stuff, because it does make a big difference. Every strategy works different for everybody, so it does definitely depend on you, I'd say. If you feel like it's been working for you and you've been seeing some good results, then stick with it. A lot of people who are trying to learn will ask for somebody's input and they'll be like, oh, well, I don't use that indicator, or I don't do that strategy. They'll be like, oh, well, if they don't do it, I don't want to do it. But that's nonsense. You find something that works for you. Everybody's different. Everybody has their own trading strategy.
We're popping.
No, we're divergencing. I don't know. Sort of like
Divergent.
that. Divergence.
Well, if we look at 2 out of 3, ES, NQ, and VIX, the two in common are going to be the ES and the VIX. But, talking about your comment a minute ago, Kevin, about, what works for you, to me, it's like I look for confluence, multiple agreements. That seems to give me more safer gut feeling when I have multiple things that are in alignment. That's
Right. Guys, I'm looking for a short here on NASDAQ. I want to pop though. I want to get in on when it's green. Hey, you cut out. I missed whatever else you were gonna say.
no, I didn't want to drag out because I know you need to talk right now.
No, you're good. You're good. I was just letting them know I'm looking for a short right now. Am I though?
Well, it's like
No,
I've
I'm not.
personally said, every strategy works sometimes. No strategy works all the time. You have to look for a strategy that, number one, makes sense to you. You look at the chart, you see it, you understand it, and then look for supporting information that makes your strategy more favorable.
Right. Exactly. 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 That's couldn't have said it better myself. All right, guys. I'm looking. I like Nasdaq's rejecting the previous 5-minute candles high. Looking for a short around here, but to be honest, I'd much rather short it in this area of interest near this trend line. So I do want to see if we break up there and reject up there, because that would also mean ES would push up to that key level, and we'd also have that divergence, because then Nasdaq would be failing its high a day, and ES would be at a new high a day. So that's divergence, bearish divergence on Nasdaq. So I'm waiting for a break. I'm looking for this area of interest. I want to see rejection there. That's at 15,413. Looks like we're going to get that pop. There's that break of the previous candle's high. Want 440975 on ES. I want this area of interest on Nasdaq with that trend line. What is that trend line's previous day's high? So let's see. There's that break. Nice little pump. Definitely able to scalp this along right here if you wanted to. I'm staying patient though. It's not the trade I want. I want to trade the reaction to the levels up here. SIG is long. Be careful with this right now, guys, because now we are near that high a day. Nasdaq trying to pump along. I'm not short yet. Might not go short at all if it wants to make a new high a day. Bulls are too strong right now. Staying patient. Alright, I'm going to put a sell order right there. I am in a short on Nasdaq right now. Stop at the high. Stop at the high a day. Good start to this trade. $50 in the 5-minute. Buyers stepping back in. Be careful. Be impatient. My entry was pretty clean. Sort of want to add to this. But if we pop, rather not be in a short. 15 seconds on the 5-minute. Staying patient here. I did say earlier that the 15 looked bullish. Nice pop there. I'm staying patient. Nice pop. Coming near my stop. Not at my stop yet. Does look like it wants to hit it though. Sort of want to add to the short right here, because this would be a good entry to add. But if we do stop out, then it won't be a good entry to add.
Sig is killing it on the NQ Mini right now.
I see that. Oh, all right, stopped out. Nice. Staying patient now. We want that key level on ES. We want more confirmation on NASDAQ before we get back in. Yeah, we're struggling at this area. What are equities doing? Apple new high a day. Rest of the equities sort of struggling. Nvidia new high a day. Nope, equities are looking strong.
We got news coming in 4 minutes, so
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Thank you.
Always clutch. 4408's pretty heavy on Bookmap. Now we reject. It wanted to stop me before we continued.
I watched an interesting video about Bookmap yesterday.
Yeah?
Yeah, just explaining how to use it and stuff and how to read it.
That's cool.
Now I understand why you guys use it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It definitely makes it feel a bit easier. Now I feel like this is a bear trap. But I'm staying patient. I'm disappointed I got out of those shorts up here. But I respected my stop loss. And if you respect your plan, your stop, can't be upset with yourself. If anything, you journal it, figure out what you did wrong, what you could do right. Apple weak. Meta sold. See if we can pop now a little bit. Ask bid is heavier right now. There goes ask. There's some buying. Some more selling pressure. Oof. Damn, that short would have been nice right now. It's alright, we're chilling.
that would have been 30 points.
Would have been 20 over here for my entry. It was nice. It was nice. There's the 30. Oh man. That's heartbreaking. I'm getting this off my
News in
screen.
2
That's a
minutes.
note. Oh yeah, news. That's right. We'll be patient.
So somebody was talking about the open range, so we're at the bottom. That's in the wick of that open range on the NASDAQ right now, the 5 minutes. On the RTH, we're just finding buyers right below the 20.
Chop, 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 chop. Let's see. Bears will strike spot, potentially seeing the market clean out stops at that hold before deciding where to go next. Rates base back down towards channel, maybe punched early getting in. Yeah, John, definitely. I was definitely a little early on that short entry up here. If anything, it wasn't even early. It was just too quick to exit. How's that 15
There's
close?
news.
Ready for bears? If Apple starts dumping, I'm grabbing shorts on NASDAQ. Not getting much. There we go. I'm in shorts, NASDAQ. Very tight stop. Because this is a news candle. There goes Apple. Grabbing some more shorts. Do think we might bounce back. Be careful. Apple selling off. I like that. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Gonna add to the short up here. Ooh, that gave me a bad fill. Oh, because the news candle, duh. Ooh, this news candle, guys, is news. If you guys trade TradingView or Tradeovate, it will mess up your orders pretty bad. Like, horribly. Do you think we want to continue lower? I'm staying in these shorts. Exits down here. Nice. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Let's go. One more drop and I'm out of one. Alright, I'm out of one. If it'll even fill me. It's not even letting me exit that one. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Fine with me.
Caught me some of that.
Nice. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna try to exit most of this. Yo, it's lagging bad though. Oh my god, that's really funny. It's not letting me move my buy limits.
I've been in that before. It's crazy.
Because of the news. So it's just
Yep.
trying to fill us at any horrible spot it can.
I traded once on FOMC day when the news hit right away. Oh my god, it
Oh
was
lord.
nuts.
Oh no. Can't do that. I'm staying. Alright, I'm out of 2 contracts. I'm in 1 contract. NQ.
Looks like it's consolidating right now.
Yeah.
I scalped nearly all of that.
Nice. Let's go, guys. Guys, great job today. Fantastic. See, we were patient and it paid. I'm gonna... Minute 30 left. Oh no. Apple's bouncing. I'm completely out of that trade now. I'll show you guys some sauce. New Apex account. That was clean, guys. That was super nice. Super nice. It's not a competition.
Think it'll retrace?
Ah.
I don't know. That was very strong going down.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely going to have some pullback. Gotta leave some people in the dust down here. Totally disagree. You were too quick to exit. You said it perfectly. Plan was followed. Rules come. Yep, absolutely. John, you're right on that. 100%. John, man, you should look into joining our community. Bullishbears.com. We go live every morning. It's either me or Jeremy. Sig goes live too. He's also one of the moderators here. We got a chat room. We got some live stream going. Definitely a good community to be part of as a trader. Part of me thinks we're going to keep going just for the sake of people thinking we're going to pull back. You know what I'm saying? Like, that was a strong pop on VIX. Yo.
Quick question. You know how they say liquidity resides on the other side? You got stopped out this morning and it stopped on, it broke the high and then I guess that's where liquidity is. So would you want to ever move your stop a little?
Yes, yeah, absolutely, man. That's right, 100%. So like, so it was something you gotta overcome and understand, right? So like John said in the YouTube chat, he said, where is it? Ah, he said, disagree. You were too quick to exit. You said it perfectly. Plan was followed. Rules come first. Got unlucky to get caught out and stopped. So my trade plan was a short on Nasdaq here because we had divergence on ES and Nasdaq. So for divergence to play out, we're not going to break that divergence, which means Nasdaq would not have made that new high. But because Nasdaq did make that new high, it no longer counted as divergence, although it was still rejecting this area of interest. So if my trade plan instead of the divergence plan was a area of interest plan, then sure, maybe I would have had my stop more at 15,420 instead of the previous high, and then I would have still been in that trade, and that trade would have really worked out. But that's just something I'm going to have to journal and reconstruct my trade plan itself and really try to make a better, more accurate plan for when things and stuff like that happens, right? It's just things that we have to work on.
Yeah, because it was also the high of yesterday.
The high up. Yes, exactly. That's why I had that black line there, because I knew that there was going to be a lot of people that were stopping out there, me, and a lot of people looking to go long up there too. And those were the people that were filling the short orders. So yeah, again, hindsight, should I have had a better stop loss on it? Yes. My trade plan, though, was to follow the divergence, and when divergence occurs, we do not break that divergence before the trade plans out. The divergence stays, so we know exactly that we are taking a divergence play.
Caught some of that pullback. Still pulling back.
Get it, man. Good stuff. Yeah, I like that. I like that. 15 created a basing and then a drop right there. So looking at the 15, looking at the 30, same thing. How's the hourly looking? What time is it? Not too much of a basing candle on the hourly. 45, 30. Yeah, I'm still sort of bearish on this. Looking for a area to re-enter these shorts. Thinking of grabbing some shorts right now. I'll let you guys know. What's VIX doing? We'll see. We'll wait. Minute 30 left. We'll wait. Any demand zones down here? Nope. 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 I guess like right here. Right, and look at that 15 worked out right there. Wish I had it before. That would have been nice, but that's okay. We're chilling. Nice pop. See, that's why I didn't grab shorts. I said I'm gonna wait. Didn't have the confirmation, not taking the trade. $15. If we start dropping right now, we'll grab it, but not thinking so. Thinking Bulls want to take this back. Bull said, hey, yo, don't forget about us. Don't forget about us. Sort of want to go long here. Leave these bears in the dust, but I'm not doing that. It's crazy.
I just did.
Get it, bro, get it. I do think we might want to continue here, but be careful. Long ES?
I just scalped it. I'm out.
Nice, good stuff. 'Cause Apple's looking pretty strong at the moment. People in the YouTube, you guys take any trades today? You guys learn anything today? Tell me what's up. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out our recent videos. Discord people too, of course. Apple pop. Might see a move here. Nope, Apple's struggling. Yeah, I'm staying patient on this. Patience. Patience. But I'm not a doctor. But I got patience. We got 340 left in this 15 minute. Sort of want this 5 minute to sell off. So we could have a nice sell off candle on the 15 minute. Just like that. Let's see if Apple could turn red. If Apple turns red, I'm going short. Microsoft's already pretty weak. Meta's pretty weak. Staying patient. VIX is trying to drop though. Yep, there it is. Oh, there it is. Pop back up. Rivian, $17. Cool. I'm getting ready for a short. Just don't know where. Yes, we are holding that trend line. Where is he? John, good call with that trend line. It's a good 1 minute trend line, which I don't find that significant. I don't find as strong, but it's still valid, right? So we got to take it under consideration. Apple really strong pop right there. Sort of makes me want to go long NASDAQ. Yeah, I'm grabbing NASDAQ long right here. It's going to be a scalp. Apple pumping strong right now. Really need these other equities to follow, but they're not. Yeah, might stop out of this or reverse this, but we'll see. If Apple starts going again. Nope, bear stepping in. Microsoft trying to push green. I'll add to this long position here, but ready to reverse it if we do want to dump. Yeah, I had too much trust in Apple on this trade. Again, I got my finger on the reverse button though. I'm ready to ride this back lower.
You think it's a bull pennant?
No, I think we're dropping. Alright, I'm reversed. I'm in shorts here. I think it was too strong to the downside. Apple rejecting too. But now we are holding this area of interest right here. I do want to see us push lower. Nice push on ES. NASDAQ failing. NASDAQ is holding that area of interest. I want it to close in that area of interest, which it's not. There we go. If we get a bounce before we drop, I'm going to add to this short position. Nice. Apple looking weak. Could give me a bounce. Nice, good bounce, just like that. Alright, adding to the short there. Ooh, Microsoft's trying to bounce. Not a fan of that. To the VIX doing. VIX is trying to go lower. Be very careful here, guys. Buyers are trying to step in. Need Microsoft to start pushing red again. Staying patient. It's holding that area of interest. Microsoft looks like it does want to go back lower. ES trying to hold. Microsoft trying to bounce. Apple weak. Nvidia trying to bounce. Microsoft trying to bounce stronger. There we go. Microsoft could give up. We're going lower. I'll let you guys know if Microsoft starts pushing. There we go. A little bit. Not much. It's trying and then it just fails and bounces back higher. Time is it? You got 2:18 on this 5-minute. I'm going to try to scale out of a contract sort of near the bottom of this candle. Apple pretty weak though. Really need Microsoft to start giving up, but it's not. And that's why I'm going to scale out of a contract or two, because I don't want to be caught up in the wrong trade. Now Apple's trying to bounce. Does look like we want to reverse here a little bit. Stay patient. Microsoft finally flipped, so did Nvidia, and Meta made a new low a day. That might be the push we might need to start to try to push lower. Microsoft's trying to bounce though. Yeah, Microsoft bounced too many times. They definitely got to scale out of a contract down here. We'll wait. We'll see. I want to target at least this demand zone one more time. It's just bouncing too hard. Microsoft's again trying to go green. "45 seconds. ES went green. Be careful. We might pop here." Microsoft, app, yeah, be careful. Apple, big pop. Microsoft trying to pop. Yeah, we might go bullish here, guys. Be careful. I'm still in this. We're waiting. Wait and see what kind of candle this gives us. If it does give us some type of small red body, we're gonna reverse this, take it long. So we're gonna push lower one more time. Not a fan of that candle. I don't like that candle. I'm holding this short. I'll exit a contract near the bottom of the previous 5-minute candle if we get back down there. There we go. Microsoft finally a little bit of weakness. Come on, give us that drop. All right, I'll move my, all right, out of one contract right there. Holding two. Apple looks weak. Microsoft finally looks weak again. Might add to this actually. Getting in another contract. Nice. 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 Keep going. Keep going. One more drop.
Caught some of that.
Good stuff. Good stuff. We're gonna go another little bit right here. I'm gonna get out of one more contract right there.
Killing it today.
Yes, sir. You know it, dude. I got this bigger account. All right, out of another contract, still holding one more. I got this 150K like 2 days ago, and I'm like almost halfway through it. That's gonna be a fun one to trade. Come on, yeah, keep dropping.
Are you talking about Apex?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I sent a screenshot of in the chat. Yo, these drops, is it gonna keep going? Apple looks nice and weak. Oh, trying to bounce. Microsoft too. Where are we at? What are we at on this account right now? 16 for the day. Nice.
So we're dancing with last week's high. The weekly high is about where we are right now. So it's something to bear in mind.
Appreciate it. Nice drop. All right, guys, I'm all out right there. I'm all out. Look at that, still going. Fantastic. Really good stuff. Still going. I like this key level down here. All right, there's that pullback finally. I want to get back in it right now. All right, I'm back in it. Think we go lower again. Tight stop. Yeah, no, we're bouncing. That was greedy to get back in that.
No FOMO. No FOMO.
Yo, no FOMO is right. 48 seconds. It's really funny. Well, now I gotta let the candle close. What time is it? We got a 15 closing soon? Nope. I don't know. I feel like we want to keep going. Was that?
The 15 is closing in 5 minutes.
Yeah. I sort of feel like we want to keep going lower. But I'm not going to do anything dumb.
Well, we are printing a what is it? A tweezer bottom, red tweezer bottom on the daily.
Oh, yeah.
But we're so high up. What a retracement.
I'm going to grab another short. We're in it to win it, guys. Just trying to average up my short position. Ah, now it's gonna bounce. Nah, we're gonna drop. Come on, Apple, sell off. Come on, Microsoft, sell off. Go, Microsoft, sell off. No, down, down, down.
So my back testing the NASDAQ with the 5-minute ORB strategy, once it's past 30 points, which it did just on this last candle, then it usually is a very good odds that it's going to keep going.
Nice. Oof. It was, yo, that thing was so close to my break even, and then it just bounced. I did think we went lower, though. Nice, nice, let's go. Gonna look to exit one, like, right here. Right at the bottom of this zone right there. Next exit's my key level. Stop bouncing, just go to my target.
Go.
I know, right? Like, how rude. That's it. I'm taking the next train down there. Going right to the New York Stock Exchange, giving them peace of my mind. You better drop the NASDAQ right now to 15,343 and then 15,337. Maybe they're watching the stream. Maybe, maybe they're gonna
Keep on
drop.
going. They're hearing it.
Oh, they're not dropping it. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna look to exit one contract. I don't know. I want to exit one sort of to give me a little leeway to not lose my profits from today. So I'll try to exit one right here.
Exit, exit. Keep your profits.
Alright, you got me, market. I'm stopping out. You can continue direction now. Oh, see, I got it. That worked. Ah, bounce, 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 bounce.
That's a lot of chop.
It is a lot of chop. You're probably, what are you looking at, the 1 minute too?
Yeah, I got the 1 minute. I got the 10-second. That's a lot of chop on the 10-second.
Yeah, you're looking at the 10-second. No, I'm just kidding. Here we go. Give us that drop. Come on now. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. Apple's weak. Microsoft, your turn. That's right. That's right. I'm gonna get out of one contract at the bottom of this wick right here. Boom, out of one. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Quit playing. That's how we do. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, keep dropping. 7 more points. Nah, you know what? VIX isn't at new high a day. Ooh. Hold up. Alright, I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna exit. Exit on the next drop. Alright, I'm all out. I'm all out. Shmoney. Great trades. Good stuff. That's how we do.
Well done.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it was clean. That was clean. I think we might reverse. I don't know. What time is it? 10:30. Bro, done for the day by 10:30. See ya. Nah, I'll hop on to another Apex account now. Let's see. Like a video game. Nah, done trading. Just that one today.
I was done a long time ago.
Nice. Super clean. Good stuff. Hope you guys are doing well today too. Hope you guys took some nice trades. Yo, look at that. Look at that exit too. We bounced from there. VIX consolidating. VIX is a great tool, guys, if you want to know, okay, do we think this trend's going to continue or do we think this trend's going to reverse? If we're making new lows on ES and NASDAQ, but VIX is like sort of far from the lows, you have to be a little extra careful. That's what I saw. That's what gave me the extra clue that I should probably get out of this trade. Does that always help? Like, is that always going to be an area where we reverse? Absolutely not. But it's something that could give us a clue to, like, hey, be careful. Like, add the VIX not reaching new high a day with NQ being at a key level and some support. Then, boom, there's two confirmations that, hey, if you're in a short, look to exit.
What was your rationale for going short when you did the last?
His last drop?
Yeah, you were. I'm sure. I think you might have added. I was just wondering what your rationale was for going short.
Yeah, so, let's see. I went short.
Or would you do that? Or would you do that?
So, my entries were, and I'll show you. Turn the magnet off. Right here. So the bottom of this red candle, because I was just coming off taking a loss, right? So this red candle, I was looking at equities, and equities were pumping pretty strong. Apple was pretty strong. It's like, okay, I'll go long. I went long like up here near VWAP. I stopped out and reversed my position here. Then once we started dropping on this candle, I added, let's see, I went short again right down here. And the reason I went short again is because we started breaking into this, well, this area of interest I started to ignore because we weren't really holding it as well. But what I was aiming for was I noticed this candle right here and this candle right here bounced perfectly off this 15-minute demand zone, right? However, we're coming off of a strong move lower. So what I was thinking was this demand zone's not going to bounce us all the way back up here. This demand zone's going to give us a pullback to some area like VWAP or something. And then we're going to reverse and go even lower than this demand zone. So that's why I started adding to my short positions. Once we started rejecting this VWAP area, started grabbing some shorts here, grabbed some more shorts here. I think I even added a third time when, where is it? Like down here. Which, again, guys, if I'm adding down here, then that's just, that add is a scalp. But that's just getting more for my points, right? So we have to know when to do that and when not to do that. Anyways, got in these shorts. My thought was, okay, we just bounced off this demand zone. We failed to rally higher, made a lower high. We're pushing back to this demand zone. I'm not only going to target this demand zone, I'm going to target the bottom of it, which I got out of a contract. And I also really wanted this 15,337 key level, but we did not get that. Not yet, at least. But that's my reason for the shorts. And that's all recorded, so you guys go check that out on YouTube, too, if you want. Might continue lower here. Apple looks nice and weak. Definitely taking all I got to not grab a short right now. If we get a small green body, I'll grab some shorts.
Stay strong.
I can't. I have to short the NASDAQ. Bounce. Damn it. Damn. You told me not to short, Ricardo. This is what happens. I missed 10 points. And guys, here at Bullish Bears, if you do something like that, then now Ricardo's gonna have a 3-week ban. No, I'm just kidding.
Go short.
Yo, imagine go short now and it reverses. Go short. Nah. Nah, I'm just kidding with you. We're good. Vic's been trying to pop. But now we're at this 1 hour demand zone on ES. Along with a little bit of divergence. Oh yeah, see that bounced. Just like that, no ban for Ricardo. It's because he pumped $1 billion to pump it back up.
I got
Time
you.
to get the ban hammer. What up, Jeremy? I'm like, what are we at? 39,700. So 4,000 on the $15,000, $150,000 account. So 9,000's the goal. I think 5,000's the trail down. Probably have it done by this week, next week. I got for shits and giggles. I got a 25K account too. But what I do with the 25K account, what I want to do is I want to pass it, which I'm already over halfway there with 1 day, because it's a 25K account. But I want to pass it, and then I want to run that as a duplicate account on my 50K account that I have that's funded. That way I could focus on like 600, 700 a day and be making 1,400 a day. You know what I'm saying? But I also have, once I fund this 150K account, I was thinking maybe I'll make more of a cushion on the 50K account and run a copy trader from the 50K and the 150K account. That way, if I'm making 2,000-3,000 a day, I'm making 4,000-6,000 a day. So that would be pretty cool too. Yo.
Good luck with that.
Thanks, bro. I'll keep you guys posted.
There we go. Beware that 50 MA on the 5 minute chart, man.
I
don't
feel like
watch
we
it
might push
usually.
lower.
It's possible, but we're still holding the bottom of that 1-for-1. So if it goes, it goes.
I'm gonna try a short on NASDAQ here. Because I like playing with my gains. I really want that key level down there.
I got a brand new tiny account set up and I'm just not trading it yet. Still working with my other account.
Come on, give me that key level.
All right, there we go. 1-for-1, 43.93 test possible here. We got half retracement to 43.95 first.
Come on, 15,337. That's my final target for these shorts.
Oh, you're on the NQ.
Yeah. I'm on the DAC. No
DAC.
Prescott.
You on the DAC? That's my best Mayor Quimby. Sorry.
I'm like 200 away from 2K on today.
Nice.
So that's cool. 8 seconds. I'm not feeling it.
We're off the lower band here. We might bounce. Quick retracement to 43.95.
Go, 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 go. Give me that key level. Go, go, go. No. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Oh. Oh my god.
It's okay. It'll reject retracement usually.
No,
There we go.
it'll make me cry first.
Well, yeah, it's got to make you sweat.
Now we're going.
Nailed that retracement though.
Yeah, that was clean. I'll move my take
On a roll,
profit down
baby.
a little bit. I want that. Yes. Out
It's
there.
trying
Let's
to
go.
go
2K
for
today. That's money right there, guys. Good stuff.
liquidity, and I have that on SPY at like 436.25. That's the top of the little purple zone I have out.
Nice.
If it can stab that zone, that is Globex low. It is also yesterday's low just before the close,
Dude, that
and then
exit.
yesterday's mid-range.
Yo, I gotta show you guys that exit.
Nice.
Look at this real quick. This exit was right here. 15.33525. That's the low of this candle.
Nice.
Nice scalp.
Yes, sir.
Dang.
I see. I could
Retrace
scalp
it again.
sometimes too.
Man, I was on fire in the close for a little while there, on the 1 second chart.
That was
I don't know if you
clean.
guys saw that post.
Yeah, I saw that, dude.
Did you say 1 second?
1 second. And Sig was like, that looks like a really fast game of musical chairs or something like that. I'm just like, man, that's just the best practice I can get right there.
Nice.
Because the 5 seconds not fast enough for you.
I can learn faster.
Oh my
That's
god.
crazy.
Give me the millisecond. Yo, you should trade tick charts, bro.
You know, I did for a little while, and I was just like, I like the time charts better because I can build them in and build them out faster. There it is. Let me pull that post down and copy it. I'll repost it.
Yo, that exit was insane. Bottom tick the exit.
But yeah, this was going into the close yesterday.
Oh my god.
Kevin, you're the man.
Hey, who was that? Where was that?
Yeah. But I mean, you look close at that, and like I nailed every breakout on the continuation pattern,
Nice.
number for number. It was pretty bitchin'.
Nice.
I
Yo,
felt special.
whoever said that, appreciate you. Hope you cashed out on some of that short. That was nice.
All right, retracement back. Let's see where this goes now.
Dude, what's crazy is I was short up here. Oh man. No coulda, woulda, shouldas. It's not how we trade.
I pulled in TradingView this morning because now it's ticking exactly like Webull, so I'll trust it. No, 1 or 2 second delay anymore. It's just dead on. Because I like those fan tools, man. Those drawing tools are fire.
Nice. What, TradingView?
Yeah.
Yeah, TradingView's got the best stuff.
I follow some guys on YouTube, and everybody's using TradingView now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's so clean, and I guess what it is too is when Thinkorswim switched over to Schwab, I guess people were just sort of thrown off by that.
Yeah. They're fed up with it is what they are.
Yeah.
Watch this little accumulation here. We could break to 43.98 real quick, like. If I could scalp that. Damn it, missed my entry.
Nice. I got 75% win rate right now this week on this account. That's dope.
Nice. 43.98. Oh, one tick.
Look at that pop. I like that. I might go long on this next candle. Just trade all day. No, I'm just kidding.
Right.
I'm not. I'm not going long.
Damn,
Oh,
missed it.
actually, Apple looks really good. Let me get to another Apex account real quick. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
How many Apex accounts do you have?
Just 3.
Oh,
Bing. Target man.
Yeah, nothing crazy.
All right, watch for the pullback. 43.96, and then if we hold there, we could actually go long.
Yeah, I'm thinking longs too, because Apple looks good. Looks like it wants to continue higher. I'm in longs on micros on this one account right now. So just trying to grow it, slowly grow it. If the market's giving me nice moves, then I'm gonna take those nice moves.
There we go.
But if
Give
we
us the
there's
pullback.
Apple pullback.
43.96 is target here. There, bam, met.
Nice.
Now wait for accumulation. We should have a decision on whether we can go long or short.
I do like the push on Apple, but yeah, it's got some pullback right now. As long as you size appropriately, no trade should ever make you like worry or
Yeah.
nervous or anything.
If your heart rate increases, you're doing it wrong.
Yeah. Billion%.
All right, guys, I'm done for the day. Taking my profits and going.
Yo, good stuff, bro. Good stuff.
Thank you, guys. Take care. All the best in the market.
Take care. Be well. Get her done.
No
Take it easy,
accumulation
Rick.
yet.
I'm in a bit
Take it
longer
easy,
there.
bruh.
Yes, take care.
See you, man. That was a stop hunt right there. Look at this.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm in a
Little
long. I grab more
skew.
long positions down here. Might stop out
Any
of
more
this.
accumulation. Like that was a perfect 1-for-1 down on the 5-second chart with the rising channel. That's retracement. So that's exactly where the target was. Watch
Apple's
for
super
one
weak.
more accumulation bar.
Apple's super weak. Microsoft trying to pump though. There we go, Microsoft. Let's get Apple up there too. We're going.
Yeah, longs are taking it in.
Can't keep running away. Good stuff. Let's go. Accounts are happy this week, man.
Retrace
2:30
that
left.
one. Check 43.95 pick and then watch for the breakout candle.
Microsoft pump. Apple trying to push green. I like this. I want NASDAQ to start pumping here.
Come on, one more tick to 43.96.
I'm gonna throw out some buy orders up top too. In case we do start pumping, but bears keep trying to step in. I don't know why or where they're coming from.
43.95 test.
Look at these bears.
Bulls don't take it here. They're gonna walk away from this and let it slide.
Yeah. I was thinking the same thing. I was thinking, where are
That's
these
the
bulls?
last test on a little rounding top here on the 5-second.
There
I'll
they
post it.
are. They're the bulls.
Yeah, finally. Colby.
I'll grab a few more there. Let's
That's that little
go.
rounding top, and that's usually when you'll see that last test of support. It'll retrace where an entry should be at 43.96 and then run.
Ooh,
There's
what
a
a
retest.
pullback. I'm gonna exit out of a few contracts above this candle's high, thinking that we're gonna stop hunt in reverse. Damn, bears. Bears are like, oh yeah, by the way.
Right?
Come on, Bulls, take it. 15 seconds left. You know you want it. Need Apple to start pushing green. There we go, Apple. You're really gonna need Bulls to step in here. I'm gonna scale out of 2 contracts on this next little pump we're gonna get. And actually I like Apple to go higher, so maybe I'll hold these. But scaling out was the plan. And bears keep stepping in. Bears do not give a flying F.
Nope. NFG, baby. Then test it again.
Thinking about it, this might be the spot where we sell off from now.
Yeah, it's pretty much at the end of the setup. So if it doesn't bounce here, it'll rip down 1-for-1 into the bottom of that purple zone I have. But if it holds here, it'll rip a face off to the upside. There's upside all the way to like 493.70 on SPY, and that would put us at where's the high?
Yeah, this ain't good. That was
That
funny.
put us at 44.15. No,
Bounce time.
sorry, 44.25 is where that would be.
Bounce
I
with me,
wouldn't mind
bounce
a
with
run
me.
44.25. No trend here. It's just chop until it breaks.
Yeah.
This is accumulation. Classic trade the break moment.
I'm still in a few longs. This thing's just like trash. Thinking of reversing and going short.
I'm not trading this till it breaks.
Yeah. I mean, we're holding demand though on ES and NQ, so.
Yeah.
But not really NQ. NQ broke that demand already.
Come on, some ball. Jeez.
Oh my goodness. Knew I should have
What did he
reversed it. Staying patient here, really. This is just such ugly ass chop. Sorry, we had those fire trades today. I'm on my second account. That other account. Amazing day, yo. Amazing.
Good, good, good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's nice to be on the up and up.
Yup.
But especially after having a bad week. Now
Yeah,
it's
dude.
good.
Absolutely.
You've been doing better this week.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's destroying.
All right,
Made
retrace
last week look like
43.95.
nothing.
We should get a break after that, I think. Gotta.
Got enchilada. Umbuglada. Going lower.
Let me blow it up and throw the fans in here.
I knew we were going lower.
We're
There
in
it
the
is.
fan.
Let's see.
Damn it.
I'm not stopping out there. Oh, there it is. Remember, bears have had very nice control lately.
Just under the fan, but we're not too far out of it.
Yeah, and I'm still thinking we bounce here too, but like Apple's really weak, Microsoft's really weak. I'm gonna reverse this, grab some shorts.
Yeah, there's liquidity grab. Watch this go.
There
Off
we
to the
go.
purple zone, my friend. Double bottom or bear flag? Double bottom or bear flag? Which are we gonna do? We're just over the edge on that 1-for-1 setup break down for the purple zone base. That's just a liquidity zone.
Poppin', holla, pop it, holla. But Vix has been trying to push green.
Yeah.
Damn.
Retracement 43.94.50, and then I would love to see it reject right there.
That's crazy.
If we don't get a rejection there, we're gonna be just continuing to chop more. Ugh. That's 43.95.
Damn, Bulls, you crazy.
Cray cray.
Gonna grab some short right there.
Scalp it like it's hot.
Yes, sir. I like Apple's weakness right now. Want to see
Yeah, we're
Bears
about
take control
back
again.
down to 43.93.
Meta 2. Nice and weak. I'm looking for a 10-point move right here. Apple
For a
weak, let's
10-pointer
go.
here?
Selling time. 10-pointer on NQ.
Gotcha. And 43.93, just about met. 43.92.75 is where accumulation will be. That's where my limit orders sit. Bing.
10 points
Order
is
filled.
just my first target.
That was pretty cool. 1 second trade.
Nice.
That's the first trade I've taken in like 20 minutes.
Nice. Alright, Bears, let's go.
Slowly adding 10 or 15 bucks at a time to this account.
Nice.
One MES contract at a time, baby.
There we go. There we
Nice
go.
break. We're at the base of
Oh, we're
liquidity.
right near
Just
my
watch for a quick
target.
retrace.
Right near my
43.93, and then they'll sell it again.
Oh, dude, so close to my target. I'm gonna move my take prop. Oh, it did hit my target. My take profit wasn't lined up on the right screen. Nice.
Ah. There we go. Retracement done.
Time to go
And
back.
43.90 is the next
No.
target if it doesn't rip our faces out here.
Well, let's hope not.
Oh man, I'm still on HA candles. I need to pull that off. Candlesticks. There we go.
On what
Hey, I
candles?
can read now. I had Hekinashi
Hekinashi?
candles on.
Nice.
Yeah. It helps with the 1
Damn,
second chart.
really
'cause
bounced
it's a
that low.
It acts like a very low volume chart, so it's like it helps to run
Gotcha.
HA candles, but not all the time. Damn, we're accumulated here.
Yeah, that's crazy.
We might make a 1-for-1 back up to 43.95 from here.
I'm still rocking with these Bears right now. Apple looks weak. Microsoft looks weak. Meta looks pretty strong, though.
Yeah. Testing 43.93. There we go. Bears will take that back to 43.91.50. That 1 second chart, I'm just like a squirrel, dude, calling out moment for moment.
Calling out
nuts,
nuts.
shots here.
Oh.
Yeah, right. Moment by moment. 43.91.25's extension on this run. If it breaks that, we go to 43.90.
Yeah, I think this is where we'll reverse. I don't know. I'd like to see us go lower. Obviously, because I'm short right now.
1-for-1 will take it to 43.91. That's where my limit order will be.
Let me buy 3. Let me get out of some, though. Protect myself from that.
Yep. Face ripping liquidity grab. Gotta love
Yeah.
them. Oh,
We're in for a
boogers.
strong move here, I think. I don't know.
Yeah, we're setting up. Pinch drive
It
and
would have
break.
happened already. Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
No, don't go
I
higher.
pray this is a stop hunt before we continue lower.
No, it's not. It's going to retrace back up to liquidity.
Yeah.
95.
Yeah, I was gonna say, no, it looks like it just wants to reverse and pop.
Boogers.
Oh. Oh.
Went to 43.94.75. Damn, I was close.
Alright, I'm moving that take profit. That's got potential. I don't know. I don't know, man. This is weird. That was a weird move. Just struggling to do anything. Struggling to go higher, though, mainly. Microsoft's trying to hold. Microsoft's trying to hold an area of interest right now. I need it to sell off. Hit that sell button, Microsoft. Now it does look like buyers want to just step in and run it. Let's see. Scaling out of a few contracts right down here. Right down here on Nasdaq if we get back down there.
If you look at the 15, it still looks bearish, no?
It's threatening
Yes,
to be,
that's
but
true. That's very true.
we're like easing the Globex low here, so it's kind of if this, then that. If it breaks that, then I know where it's going. Bottom of that little purple zone I have mapped out there.
Right.
That's just the midpoint for yesterday. But if it holds here, it can certainly rip the other way and finish the bullish 1 for 1.
I don't know. Yeah, no, that's a good point though. A lot higher time frames definitely looking more bearish right now. Not much reason for a reversal. Maybe a short term. But no, it does look strong. And it might pull back though up to VWAP, right? So we don't want to be holding a short position all the way up to VWAP. If anything, we would exit, set an alert, and then re-enter. VIX has been very choppy too. Yeah, I'm gonna go long. I don't think bears are gonna want to take this back.
They're curling
No, I'm
it up
gonna
for a
flatten.
retrace here.
I'm flattening. I don't know what we're doing here. Too choppy.
43.95 is met. They're looking for 43.92 again for a bounce.
I think we're gonna want to see VWAP.
Bulls want this. We're right
Yeah.
back in the liquidity zone. Right at the 1 minute 20 period, so wait for the break.
Bulls want it. Bears need it.
Right? Traders crave it. Rondo.
Yeah, I don't know.
Dude,
I
you
don't
know what?
like this at all.
You know what an empty can of Rondo is worth these days on eBay?
No.
Bucks. Empty promotional energy drink can
How much?
for the Idiocracy. $100.
Nice.
I have a couple of them on my shelf. Rondo, it's got what plants crave. What do you mean? Plants grow in water like from the toilet?
Time is it? Alright, Chell, I'm gonna be wrapping this up. Definitely great day trading with Chell. Good stuff. Great short trades today. Really good stuff. Really good stuff. Hope you guys all have a fantastic day. Any questions, let me know. Check us out, YouTube, bullishbears.com. Make sure you click that join button and you can become a member in our community. You could also get access to our courses as well, where you could learn different types of strategies and stuff. All right. Take care. Happy trading. Be well, everybody.
Too, man.
Take care.
Take care.
See ya.